Hello, I'm Ian Lee, and this is problem 37 of chapter 7 of the physics textbook. Io, a satellite of Jupiter, has an orbital period of 1.77 days and an orbital radius of 4.22 times 10 to the 5th kilometers. From these data, find the mass of Jupiter. So first, we have to convert kilometers to meters, and it's really just 4.22 times 10 to the 8th meters. Next, we have to find the time it takes for the orbital period in seconds. So we just do 1.78 times 86,400 unit conversion. And that gets us to approximately 1.5 times 10 to the 5th second. Next, we have to find the velocity, and that could easily be done by v equals 2 pi r over t. So all we do is just that we plug the orbital radius, which is 4.2 times 10 to the 8th, and divide by the number of seconds, which is 1.5 times 10 to the 5th. And then what we're left with is about 1.77 times 10 to the 4th meters per second. Now we have to solve for force. And then you do that by F equals gm1 gm2 divided by r squared. First, you have to first we're finding centripetal force, which is basically m1 v squared over r. And what we can do now is we can just cancel out m1, which means we don't have to find the mass of the satellite. And then what we're left is vr over gm2 equals r squared. Now first you have to plug everything in, 1.77 times 10 divided by 4.22 times 10 to the 8th and multiplied by 6.7 times 10 to the 11th, because that's the gravitational constant, m2 divided by 4.22 times 10 to the 8th squared. And we get approximately 3.12 times 10 to the 8th for velocity squared, 4.22 times 10 to the 8th, 6.7 times 10 to the 11th, and 2. And then lastly, 4.22 is about 17.8 times 10 to the 16th. So what I do is that we can just cross multiply and we get 55.5 times 10 to the 24th on one side, and on the other side we get 28.2 times 10 to the minus 3 and squared. We just have to divide everything by 28.2 times 10 to the minus 3, and what we get is approximately 1.96 times 10 to the 27 kilometers. Just write that down. So, the mass of Jupiter is approximately 1.96 times 10 to the 27th kilograms.